Let's go across to my colleague Ruchi now as well. Ruchi, what's the latest on the no confidence motion which made headlines yesterday?
All eyes will be on tomorrow's trust vote, and ahead of that, both the BJP and the Congress reaching out to their allies, reaching out to like-minded parties. In fact, as far as the BJP is concerned, we understand that the back-channel talks have already started with their allies such as Shiv Sena, the BJD, as well as the TRS. In fact, BJP is betting heavily on either these parties voting against the no-confidence motion or perhaps even looking to abstain from tomorrow's trust vote. As far as the Shiv Sena is concerned, they've kept their cards close to the chest so far. We are given to understand that there will be a critical meeting that the Shiv Sena will hold today to decide on their stand with respect to tomorrow's trust vote. As far as the Congress party is concerned, they've reached out to like-minded parties like the left, the TMC, the NCP, and they are looking for unequivocal support on various issues that they're looking to corner the government on. We understand that the government is already on a weak footing. They do have the numbers, but in terms of the kind of issues that we are seeing with mob lynching incidents across various states, with the kind of thrashing that we've seen for Swami Agnivesh, and how the government is really on a back foot with respect to the recent incidents of hate mongering with respect to religious minorities and Dalits. So these are the kind of questions that the opposition is looking to corner the government on. Also, we understand they will be asking the government on the state of the economy, how there has been very little job creation that has happened. So expect the government to be fully prepared. They know the kind of issues that are there, and this trust vote is really not going to be about the numbers. It's only going to be about positioning as to how regional parties and of course the national parties are looking to position themselves ahead of the 2019 polls.